Hello students, Standard 8 English Medium, Chapter number 1, Rational Number, and it's before we have discussed exercise 1.1. Now here new point, representation of rational numbers on the number line. तो मीन्स रेशनल नंबर को नंबर लाइन पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वो हमें यहाँ पर देखना है, जिसमें फर्स्ट है नेचुरल नंबर। जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि नेचुरल नंबर्स जो है वो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वन से स्टार्ट होता है और ऑन इन्फिनिटली नंबर्स फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. So here on a number line, here first we write 1 and afterward on right side there are infinitely many numbers we have written. Now in whole number if we represent, then starting from 0 and infinitely many numbers on the right side. Okay, so afterward integers, if we represent integers on a number line, so we know that in integers there are three types of numbers: positive, negative and 0. So both the side, from left side negative number and on right side positive numbers, there are infinitely numbers both the sides. Afterward next rational number. Now rational numbers if we have to represent, then on a number line, so here -1 by 2, -1 upon 2 is given that between 0 and -1, and if we represent 1 by 2 positive number, then it's represent between 0 and 1. So here we already know that negative numbers from left side of 0 and positive numbers is right side of the 0. Now let's see one more example. In fifth number, if we have to represent 1 upon 3 on a number line, so first we have to draw a number line and it's represent between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1 we have to divide into 3 equal parts. Students, because of here given that denominator is 3, so we have divide it in 3 equal parts. So here we represent 1 by 3, so the first part it's a 1 upon 3. Dear students, if we have to represent 2 upon 3, so where it is, so it's a second part, so here we represent 2 by 3. Okay, now next point, in number line if we have to represent 7 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 6 upon 3, like that, this type of rational number. Now here students, between this number 0 from its right side, because of all the numbers are positive numbers, so first here we have to write 0 upon 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, up to and here we have to write 10 by 3. Now here represent the number 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 is here. 5 upon 3. So here we represent 5 upon 3. 6 upon 3, that means 2. 6 upon 3 means it's cut 3 to just 6. So here we represent 2. Afterwards 7 upon 3, here also we have to represent. Now students, if we represent 1 upon 8, so what we have to do? Here given that denominator is 8. So first we have to draw a number line and first take a point 0 and 1. Between there, how many equal parts we have to divide? It's 8. Because of its denominator is given that 8. Now it's a first part we have to represent. So 1 upon 8 here we have to represent. Students, if we have to represent 2 upon 8, then it's here, and afterward 3 upon 8, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last one is 8. So 1 means its 8 part, so 8 upon 8, that means 1. Now next, in 7 number, this one 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8 are represent on the number line. Now in 8 number, here we have to represent 4 upon 9. So dear students, it's what type of number? Positive and negative? Yes, it's a positive rational number. So here we have to represent between 0 and 1, and how many parts we have to divide? Here we have to divide, it's a 9 equal parts between 0 and 1, and afterward 4 upon 9 we have to represent. So here we have to represent, it's a 4 upon 9. Now next, our rational number is minus 7 upon 4. So here the number is negative rational number. So where you have to represent? From the left side of a 0, because of it's a negative rational number. Now here students, after 0, what we have to write? Minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4, minus 4 upon 4. Here minus 4 upon 4, that means 4 is cut, so here we write minus 1. Afterward, to be continue, minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4, and minus 8 by 4, that means here minus 2. Okay students, now here what we have to represent? Minus 7 upon 4. So this number is, here we have to represent. Okay, now next point, रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन टू रेशनल नंबर्स मीन्स कोई भी दो रेशनल नंबर दिए हो और उसके बीच में कितने रेशनल नंबर्स है वो हमें फाइंड करना है, तो वो हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे. फर्स्ट, कैन यू टेल द नेचुरल नंबर बिटवीन 1 एंड 5? क्या आप 1 और 5 के बीच में कितने नेचुरल नंबर्स है वो बता सकते हो? सो यस, दे आर 2, 3 एंड 4. नाउ हाउ मेनी नेचुरल नंबर्स आर देयर बिटवीन 7 and 9? After 7, it's only one number, it is 8. So between 7 and 9, only one number is there, 8. So how many natural numbers are there between 10 and 11? So obviously none. तो उसमें 10 और 11 जो है दोनों कौन से टाइप के हैं? नेचुरल नंबर है, और दोनों नेचुरल नंबर के बीच में कोई भी नंबर नहीं, एक भी नंबर हमें नहीं मिल रहा है. So afterward, list the integers between -5 and 4. So these numbers are -4, -3, -2, -1 and 1, 2, 3. That type of number are between -5 and 4. Now students, here given that two rational numbers, and here we have to find out their rational numbers between them. So 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10 both are what type of number? Rational number. And there are how many rational numbers between? So here 4 upon 5, 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. There are 3 rational number between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. Now afterward, but you can also write, अगर आपको इसमें ज़्यादा नंबर रेशनल नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं तो आप उसे कोई भी नंबर से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो. जैसे कि यहाँ पर 3 अपॉन 10 जो है उसे 10 अपॉन 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया हुआ है. सो हियर 30 अपॉन 100. नाउ हियर इट्स रिलेटेड सेकंड नंबर 7 अपॉन 10. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 10 अपॉन 10, देन इट्स बिकम 70 अपॉन 100. नाउ हियर बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर ऑल्सो बिकम सेम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमें कोई भी दो रेशनल नंबर दिए हो और उसके बीच के रेशनल नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं, अगर ज़्यादा रेशनल नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं तो हम कोई भी बड़े नंबर से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो हियर वी राइट 31 अपॉन 100, 32 अपॉन 100 अप टू एंड 69 अपॉन 100. सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड 39 रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन टू रेशनल नंबर 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. Now if we find that lots of rational number between them, then we can also express it as it's multiplied by 1000 upon 1000. So it's 3000 upon 10,000. And second rational number 7 by 10, it's multiplied by 1000 upon 1000. So it's become 7000 upon 10,000. Now we see that there are rational number between two rational number is 3001 upon 10,000, 3002 upon 10,000. So up to n, here we write 6,999 upon 10,000. Between there many rational numbers we can find out. So here any rational numbers given, then we have to find there are many rational numbers between